Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. Walter here with a piece of melamine. So I went to the big box store and I took my fancy dancy straight edge and I took my feeler gauges and I tried a few of these melamine shelves. And this one was not that bad. And I just measured it here at home and it's out less than a couple thousandths of an inch. So that is going to be my substrate for my diamond sharpening plates and a piece of leather strop. I'm not sure how I'm going to lay them out yet. I might want the 3000 on the end to get the final polish on chisels and plane blades. I might want the 1000 on this side. Maybe the 2000 in the middle. I don't know. I could go like this, 1, 2, 3, and then put the strop out here. And that would leave me space for maybe another one if I so choose. What are your thoughts? Let me know. But it's surprising how flat the melamine is. I was looking at pieces of marble, pieces of granite. I was looking at ceramic tiles. It's amazing some of the ceramic tile they have today, how flat it is. But I still had trepidation about using tile or thin tile or thin granite because nimble fingers here might drop it on the concrete and snap, crackle, pop, there it goes. This is particle board with melamine on it. That's about it for this one. Real quickie. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. I had thought about ordering a high density molecular plastic. I think that's how it goes, HMDP or PE, or the stuff milk jugs are made out of. I was thinking about ordering a cutting board off Amazon, thinking plastic, water, that would be good. It's lightweight, doesn't break, but I don't know how flat they were. And I couldn't find any at the stores I went to today. So this is where we're going. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Walter out.